You've recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you how to easily assemble and start to use it. The box contains a safety guard, handle and strap, line trimmer shaft in 2 pieces, bump feed head and a Pro Cut 2 head, 2-stroke oils, some tools you'll need and a detailed instruction manual. To fit the handle, first loosen the screws on the handle bracket and remove it as shown. Fit the bracket over the shaft in the position indicated. And then fit the handle over the bracket. Tighten it in place using the tool and screws provided. To attach the safety guard, insert the smaller part to the bracket just above the line head. Then tighten the bracket to secure the guard in place using the tool and the screws provided. Align the larger guard piece with the screw holes on the smaller as shown. Tighten it in place using the screws and the tool. To remove the bump feed head, unlock these clips and remove the rim. Then remove the bump knob and unscrew the bolt so the head can be removed. To attach the Pro Cut 2 head, first feed trim line through this slot until it emerges on the other side. Stop at the marker here. Repeat this process for the other side. Once this is complete, insert the head onto the shaft as shown, then attach the bump knob and screw it into place. To assemble the shaft, remove the protective cap from the lower piece and then loosen the collar on the upper piece using the collar key. Insert the bottom part into the top, push together until the locking pin clicks into the collar, then tighten it with the key. This line trimmer runs on a mixture of unleaded petrol and 2-stroke oil. All RYOBI 2-stroke products run on a 50:1 fuel to oil ratio. So for every litre of unleaded fuel, you need to add 20 millilitres of 2-stroke oil. Use only fresh fuel. Fuel that has been stored in a container for too long will be stale. To add fuel, use a funnel, and be careful not to overfill. This is the power switch that will switch your line trimmer off. To start your line trimmer cold, follow this procedure. Press the fuel primer 10 times or until fuel appears. Set choke to cold start. Depress and hold the safety switch and engage the trigger. Then pull sharply on the startup grip no more than 4 times. This will avoid flooding the engine. Set the choke to half. Depress and hold the safety and engage the trigger, then pull sharply on the startup grip a maximum of 6 times. Wait for at least 10 seconds and then set the choke to the run position. When starting the engine warm, push the fuel primer 10 times, set to run position, depress and hold the safety switch and engage the trigger. Pull the startup grip sharply 6 times. This line trimmer uses a bump line feed system to release more trim line. To do this, bring the head up to full speed, then bump gently onto the grass. Don't bump the head on a hard surface like a footpath or your driveway, this may cause damage. For more information about your line trimmer or other RYOBI tools, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.